What's up, guys? Welcome back to The Educated Barfly. Today, I just want something stated for the record. This is the second time we're shooting this video, and the reason why we're shooting this video is because maybe Marius can tell you. Marius, what did you do?
I did not have a memory card in the sound receiver.
He didn't record the sound, so we did this whole cocktail, and I had all these asides. I was saying all these brilliant, Oscar-worthy things, and it's all lost to the ether now because there was no card in the card slot. So I just want it stated for the record that I am not the only person that forgets things on this set. Okay? Okay. All right? Okay. Today is a special day because we are getting to a cocktail that was requested a long time ago. It was so long ago I can't even remember who requested it, and I hope that person is still watching so that they can be happy that I finally took the request and made this cocktail. This cocktail is called the Royal Bermuda Yacht Club, and it was created, well, here's the thing. I don't actually know that it was created by Trader Vic. It was first published by Trader Vic in his Trader Vic's Bartender's Handbook. And I can't even tell you which edition because I didn't look. I will look and I will put it in the show notes. And that just brings me to another point. You guys should all be looking in the show notes because whatever history I say here, I do a deeper dive and put them in the show notes so it's like a little bit longer. So for all you people that love this history, look in the show notes and there will be even more history and surprises. And then also it'll answer some questions that a lot of people ask me, like, where do you get your equipment? Well, if you look in the show notes, you would see links to all the equipment. Just saying. Not trying to tisk you guys, I'm just saying. All right, so the Royal Bermuda Yacht Club was named after, well, it was named after the Royal Bermuda Yacht Club, which was established in 1844. And it was, from what I've read, just frequented by British Army officers, not Navy officers, but maybe Navy officers too. British officers frequented this gentleman's club, and that's about what I got for the history. I'm going to do a little bit deeper of a dive and put it downstairs. If I find anything, there wasn't really that much on it, but I'm sure there's something on the intrawebs when I look. Let's get into making the cocktail. First thing that we're going to do is 3/4 of an ounce of lime juice. Then we're going to do 1/4 ounce of orange Curaçao, preferably Pierre Ferrand, because they make the nice dry Curaçao. I just really love this Curaçao. A lot of people ask me what to sub Curaçao for because I can't find it. So this is what I will say to you. Curaçao is closest to Grand Marnier, okay? And I guess like also the Mandarin Napoleon, all right, is also going to be closer to Curaçao. Usually Curaçao has a brandy or cognac base, right, macerated with peels. Curaçao also has oranges that are from a specific place called the island of Curaçao. Whereas triple sec is closer to Cointreau. So Cointreau and triple sec are going to be like a neutral distilled spirit that has been macerated with orange peel. Just so you guys know. So if you cannot find Cointreau, you can use triple sec. If you cannot find Curaçao, you can use Grand Marnier. There are some bar programs that'll actually mix Grand Marnier with a little simple syrup to actually get a closer to a Curaçao flavor. So either way. Anyway, we're doing 1/4 ounce. I like to do it in the bottom of this, the base of this multi-level jigger. And really this base is 3/8 of an ounce. But if you like just do a little research or you just like do a 1/4 ounce measure and pour it in here and see where that line is, you can easily measure 1/4 ounce. That's what we're doing now. 1/4 ounce of Curaçao. Then we're gonna do 1/2 ounce of Velvet Falernum. And last but certainly not least, 2 ounces of El Dorado 5-year. If you want to use Hamilton Demerara, you can. If you want to use any other type of Demerara rum, but this cocktail should be done with Demerara rum. And I like me some El Dorado. We're going to add our ice cubes. Little shake and ice. Whoa. Hey, I caught it. Lock our tin and give it a good old shake-a-poo. Now, I know that when I shake, I make like a weird, like I'm gonna kill this cocktail face. And really, when I was taught to bartend, when I was taught to shake, I was taught this term in Italian. I'm gonna say this while I'm pouring because I got this nice foam on this cocktail and I just don't want to lose it. There's this term in Italian, and I'm gonna say this in an Italian accent, and you guys are gonna be like, oh, that's a douchey accent. But I don't care. I'm gonna do it anyway. It's called sprezzatura, and what that means is, it is a word that actually describes a concept. And what that concept is the sprezzatura is what someone displays when they do something technically difficult, but they make it look easy. Now, I feel like anyone who shakes cocktails should like exude that. It's like a joy in doing something. Now, obviously, you guys know that I don't exude joy because I have this very blank face, but I try to exude joy. I end up just probably looking constipated when I exude joy and shake at the same time. But you know what? To each their own, my friends. I am working on it. And here we have it, a little limey wheel. And let's taste this cocktail. It looks too delicious not to taste. Oh. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh, man. I want to sip that at the yacht club. So, I mean, you just get that nice, like, kind of savory, sort of burnt sugar demerara flavor. You get the spices from the falernum. You know, you get that little orange kick, and then it's really super tart from the lime. And why is because the only sweetness that you're getting is from the Curaçao and the falernum. There's no simple syrup in here, so it's like nice and tart. It's like almost like biting into fresh lime and spices or something. I don't know. That seemed a little. I don't know. That's a weird description. I'm sorry. I'm not the best at descriptions, but oh man, that's like such a good hot weather cocktail. It's like spiced, but it's like really tart and just wonderful. So there you have it, my friends. Trader Vic's Royal Bermuda That's the second time I've done that. I keep on wanting to call this the Royal Bermuda cocktail. Maybe I should create one called a Royal Bermuda cocktail. It's the Royal Bermuda Yacht Club cocktail. That's what it is, and you guys should drink it. So I will see you guys next time. If you like our channel, please hit like and subscribe because that really helps us bring you all this wonderful content. I want to thank all the people that sub us on Patreon for making this. We've had a few new people, and they just make this possible, and I just want to thank you from the bottom of my heart. If you guys want to check out our Patreon, it's at patreon.com/theeducatedbarfly, and I will see you next time.